There comes a time in all of our lives when we are absolutely and completely bored. And it's definitely no fun, but we've got some ideas that will end your boredom blues forever. First, are you new around here? Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more like this. Now, on to epic DIY things to do when you are bored. Color-changing flowers. Pretty flowers. Let's make them even better. Grab 2 cups of water. Add green food coloring to one and blue to the other. This should be fun. Place some flowers in each of the cups. Now it just looks like the flowers are sitting in colorful vases, but if you wait a few hours, magic will start to take place. And after just a few more hours, all of the tips of your flowers will have completely changed color. Look how amazing it looks! Epic painting. Make your paintings epic with this hack. Fold a piece of paper in half and then open it back up. Time for watercolors. Take your first color and draw dots going diagonally up the page. Pick up the next color and make little dots in between the ones that you just made. Repeat with a third color. Take a fourth color and draw dots up the middle of the page. Let's go back to the original lines that we made and add one more color. Looks good! Fold the paper over and press all over the page to make sure that the colors mash together. Open it back up and voila! You've got a pretty painting. Looks like something Picasso might draw, huh? Coin trays. People usually like to throw coins away, but they can actually be a lot of fun. Just wait and see how we can use them in this hack. Take one of the coins and place it under a sheet of paper. Use a pencil to sketch over the coin. See what's coming through? A perfect image of the money. Secret writing. Slice a lemon in half. Pour the juice into a little bowl. Dip a stick into the lemon juice and use the liquid to write a message on a piece of paper. Make sure you don't run out of juice. Next, use your lighter to reveal your message. Feel like a spy yet? Water levitation. Burn the bottom of a few candles and stick them to a glass plate one by one. Now pour some water onto the plate. Light the candles like you're getting ready for a party. Cover them with a cup. Watch the water rise up. Remove the cup and see what happens. The water still looks like it's floating. Pretty cool, right? Shoe freshener. Grab a piece of paper towel and fold it in half. Cut along the fold line. Fold the remaining half. Open it up and put a line of glue horizontally and vertically on one side. Fold it back over and press the sides together. Cut off a little silver of one side of the towel. You should now have a little pocket. Cut some pieces of soap and fold them up in your air freshener pockets. Place these nifty devices in your shoes and your feet will be smelling good no matter what you do at the gym. That's it for epic DIY things to do when you are bored. Which one of these DIYs are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time.